The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Dwell on the beauty of life. Watch the stars and see yourself running with them. Our life is what our thoughts make it. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself in your way of thinking. The art of living is more like wrestling than dancing. The only wealth which you will keep forever is the wealth you have given away. The universe is change, life is opinion. The more we value things outside our control, the less control we have. He who lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Accept the things to which fate binds you, and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. Do not act as if you had 10,000 years to throw away. Death stands at your elbow. Be good for something while you live, and it is in your power. The first rule is to keep an untroubled spirit. The second is to look things in the face and know them for what they are. The obstacle is the way. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. To live a good life, we have the potential for it. If we can learn to be indifferent to what makes no difference. What we do now echoes in eternity. He who does not have a good neighbor will travel far to find one. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. The most complete gift of nature is the ability to experience it. Be content with what you are, and wish not change, nor dread your last day, nor long for it. The wise man sees in the misfortune of others what he should avoid. A noble man compares and estimates himself by an idea which is higher than himself, and a mean man by one lower than himself. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that they are difficult. What stands in the way becomes the way.